Now let us see exercise 3.1 first question. Solve the following system of linear equation in three variables. Already we learned about how to solve the linear equation in two variables using the elimination method. Here we are going to learn about how to solve the linear equation in three variables using the elimination method. So now see the question, the first question. Here three equations they have given. We know that these three equations are linear equations in three variables. Okay, so the variables are x, y, z. Okay, so we need to find out the value of x, y and the z value. So now see that first equation, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 5. And the second equation is 2x minus y plus z is equal to 9. And the third equation is x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 16. Okay, so we need to solve these three equations. So now see the solution. The first equation you can consider as equation number 1. And the second equation you can consider as equation number 2. And the third equation you can consider as equation number 3. So already we know that how to solve the linear equation in two variables. Here three equations you have, so three variables. So the variables are x, y, z. Okay, so how to solve, now we can see. First you have to choose any two equations. Okay, two pair we need to take. So first any two pair you can take. So you can take this and this first you can take. Okay, so any equation first and 3 you can take, 2 and 3 or first and 2, anything you can take. Here I have taken first and second equation. Okay, so now see the first equation, x plus y plus z is equal to 5, and the second equation 2x minus y plus z is equal to 9. So now see here in this equation any one variable we need to eliminate. Okay, so any variable, x variable, y variable and the z variable, any variable you can eliminate. Here I am going to eliminate the y variable. Okay, so y variable, already we know that how we can eliminate. If the coefficient of that variable, if it is same only, we can eliminate that variable. Okay, so now see here we are going to eliminate the y variable. I have taken this two equation. Okay, so first equation and the second equation. After I am going to eliminate the y variable. So if you want to eliminate that variable, mean the coefficient, if it is in the numerical coefficient of that variable, if it is same only, you can eliminate. Now see the numerical coefficient of y variable, that is 1. Here also 1 only, minus 1 only. Okay, so the numerical coefficient 1 and the 1 is same only. So no need to multiply anything. So already the same, the numerical coefficient only you have. So easily you can eliminate. Okay, so first equation no change, the same thing you have to write, x plus y plus z is equal to 5. And the second equation also there is no change. Okay, so already the numerical coefficient same only. If it is not same only, you have to multiply with this proper number. Now the second equation, so 2x minus y plus z is equal to 9. Now here after making the numerical coefficient same, we have to add it or subtract, we can eliminate that value. So here already the different sign only you have for the y variable, different sign only you have. So this plus 1, this is minus 1. So if we add it only, we can eliminate this one. Okay, so now we can add it, equation number 1 plus equation number 2. So both one you can add it, implies. So x plus 2x mean that is 3x. Okay, so 1x plus 2x mean that is 3x plus 1y minus 1y. So you can eliminate this variable. Okay, so it will cancel. Now plus 1 is it, here plus 1 is it, totally 2 is it, is equal to 9 plus 5, that is 14. So this another one new equation. So that equation you can consider as equation number 4. Okay, so the next step, first we have taken first and second equation. Now we can take another two equations you can choose. Okay, so any equations. So already we have taken first and second. Now we can choose for first and 3 or second and 3, anything you can take. Okay, here which variable we have eliminated, next which two equation we are going to take, that equation also the same variable only we need to eliminate. Okay, so here y variable we have eliminated. So next we are going to choose any two equations. So here we have chosen this second and third equation. So that equation also we need to eliminate y variable only. Okay, so now see the second equation, that is 2x minus y plus z is equal to 9. This third equation, x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 16. Okay, so now we are going to choose another pair, another two equation, that is second and 3. Not only second and 3, any other two equations also you can choose. Okay, here I have taken these two equations. Now we need to eliminate y variable only, because first we have eliminated the y variable. Okay, so here also we need to eliminate y variable only. So the numerical coefficient the same or not we have to see. So not same, because here 2 you have, but here 1 only. Okay, so no need to see the symbol. After we can see only the number, we can see the numerical coefficient of that variable y number, we can see. Here 1 you have, here 2 you have. Okay, so now here not same the numerical coefficient, so how you can make it same? Here 2 you have, so here also 1 and 1 you have to here also multiply with the 2 means, so we will get the numerical coefficient, we can make it same. Okay, so this full equation we have to multiply with the 2, then only the numerical coefficient of y it will become same. Okay, so now the second equation we are going to consider second and third equation. Second equation we need to multiply with the 2, because the third equation we have the numerical coefficient of y, that is 2 only. Okay, so here also 2 we needed, so the full equation we have to multiply with the 2. So now write the second equation multiply with the 2. So second equation if we multiply with the 2 means 4x minus 2y plus 2z is equal to 9 into 2, that is 18. The third equation there is no change, already 2, the coefficient 2 only you have. Okay, so this one only we need to change. So third equation straight you have to write, that is third implies x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 16. Now the same way, now y variable only we are going to eliminate. So here we need to add it or subtract. Subtract means we have to change the symbol for all, this equation, all the variable, that symbols we have to change. Here if you want to eliminate this y variable mean, if we subtract only we can eliminate, because the same symbol only you have, while you're adding means minus 4y we will get. But here we need to eliminate this variable mean, we have to subtract this one. So while you're subtracting, so we have to change the symbol. Here plus if you have mean minus. Okay, so here minus if you have mean plus. Now here plus if you have mean minus. Here minus plus you have, so minus. Okay, so now we are going to subtract 4x minus x, that is 3x. Here plus 2y, here sorry minus 2y, here plus 2y. Okay, so now we have to consider this symbol only, minus 2y plus 2y. So that is, you can cancel it this part. Okay, so now the next one, here plus 2z you have, here minus 3z you have. Okay, so only see the z you can write. Plus 2 and minus 3 means different sign, and then subtract and the biggest number symbol. So 3 subtract with the 2 mean 1, the biggest number symbol, that is minus. So minus z, minus 1 z mean minus z you can write. Okay, so 3x minus z is equal to 2. So that you can consider as a equation number 5. So this is also another new equation. First we have taken one pair, we have taken first and second equation. Next we have taken another two equations we have taken, that is 2 and 3. Okay, so both the equations if we solve means we have got it, two new equations we have got it. Now that two equations we are going to solve. Okay, so that new equation, what is it? Fourth equation, first two pair, that first and two, while you're solving we have got it one new equation. That equation after another two equation, that is 2 and 3 if we take means we have got it another new equation. Okay, so now we are going to solve equation 4 and 5. Now the new equations we are going to solve. Okay, so now see here also the equation 2x, here in this two equation any one variable we need to eliminate. Okay, so now 3x plus 2z is equal to 14 you have. Here 3x minus z is equal to 2 you have. So here x variable is same, the numerical coefficient of x variable is same only. Here also x variable, the numerical coefficient is 3. This equation, the x variable, the numerical coefficient 3 is same. Okay, so here x variable can you eliminate or not? Yes, easily. While subtracting you can eliminate that variable. Okay, so now that equation 3x plus 2z is equal to 14. Fourth equation implies 3x plus 2z is equal to 14. And fifth equation, that also there is no change, because already x variable only here we are going to eliminate. Not only x variable, z also we can eliminate, but here already the numerical coefficient same only, so better you can eliminate the x variable. So now this equation also there is no change. The fifth equation you have to write. Now here while you are adding means we cannot eliminate this variable, so while subtracting only we have to eliminate this variable. So subtraction means we have to change the symbol for this second equation, all the symbols you have to change. So minus you have plus, here plus you have minus. Okay, so now see plus 3x minus 3x, you can eliminate this variable. So now here plus 2 is plus 1 is it, so totally 3 is it, is equal to here plus 14, here minus 2, different sign. So subtract and the biggest number symbol, that is 12. Now z is equal to what you have got it, then this is a multiplication while I am bringing there, so that is will become division. So z is equal to 4 we have got it. Now one variable value we have got it. So this z value you have to substitute in fourth equation or the fifth equation. If you substitute here means x variable you can get it. Okay, so any equation, fourth equation or the fifth equation, any easy equation you can substitute. So now we are going to substitute in fifth equation. So equation number 5, that is 3x minus z is equal to 2. So 3x minus z value, now only we have got it, 4 is equal to 2. Then 3x is equal to, if we simplify, so minus 4 while transposing, then it will change plus 4. So 3x is equal to 2, already the minus 4 it will become as a plus 4, so 2 plus 4 that is 6. Then x is equal to 6, that's the multiplication, it will change the division. So 6 by 3, so that is 2. Now 2 values we have got it. So this x value and the z value if you know means you can substitute in here any one equation you can substitute. Okay, so x value we know that, z value we know that, y value only we needed. So if you substitute means we will get the answer for that one. Now you can substitute the first equation, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 5. Any one equation you can substitute. Okay, so this is the easy equation, you can substitute in this equation. So x value we know that is 2, y value we don't know, we need to find out, y plus z value that is 4. So if you simplify, y plus 2 plus 4 that is 6 is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 already you have on this side only, plus 6 if you transpose on that side, that is minus 6. Then y is equal to, we will get 5 minus 6, different signs, small to big we are subtracting. So subtract and the biggest number symbol, that is y is equal to minus 1. So the solutions are x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 4. This is the answer for this one. Okay, so keep it in your mind. When they give the 3 equations in 3 variables means, so now see, first choose any 2 equations. Next you can eliminate any one variable. Okay, x variable, y variable or z variable. Next you will get one new equation you will get. Next another 2 pair you can choose it, any pair. Okay, so here 2 and 3 we have taken. So here what variable we have eliminated, the same variable only, there also we should eliminate. Okay, so after we will get another one new equation. So now this equation and this another next new equation, both one you have to eliminate any one variable there. Okay, so after we will get the answer, then substitute means we will get the answer for that.